Happy Thanksgiving, it's Logan, and this is my Thanksgiving special. This is my 1954 12-inch Westinghouse LivelyAire table fan. A couple nice things about this fan is that I got this fan for my birthday, and this fan has a really pretty color to it, and I really like this fan. This fan has 2 speeds, and it can oscillate. Now I'll show you all the sides of the fan. Here's the left side. Here's the right side, here's the back side, and now we're back to the front. Now I'm going to turn the fan on for you guys. Hope you enjoy. Speed 1. This fan's really nice. You can hear kind of a motor sound, but this is one of my favorite fans. Shakes a tiny bit, but it's a really good fan to use normally. These fans, even though they're still vintage fans, you can still use them as regular fans in your home. Alright, I'll show you guys the second speed now. And here's speed 2 for you guys. I love the fan very much. This is a great fan, and how old it is, it's just running perfectly. I was very happy when I got this fan. Alright, now I will give you guys a spin down time. So wow, that fan has a really nice spin down time. Alright then, so that pretty much wraps up this video. Happy Thanksgiving everyone, and just before we end, I'm thankful for all the fan lovers out there. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed, and this was Logan's Thanksgiving special. Thank you guys. Please subscribe and like the video.